there. So today we got a couple heavy hitters coming out to the old CatFish Bay. Gonna be Dusty S. Esquire on the orange little ski. And then you got Corey, Cordell, Leonardo, DiCaprio gonna be on the old blue ski. And we're gonna do some flippity floppities. Hopefully I get some good footage. Who knows? But let's go. Woo! This episode is brought to you by Bang! Just practicing. It could be Coors Light. It could be Busch Light, Natty Light. Any of you all rich mofos out there, I'm right here. Oh, almost ran a red light. Damn. Hell, even if y'all make these really nice flat chicken strips, sponsored. Wow, that's some good shit. I don't understand, there's nothing on it. It just must be the breading and the grease. A mixture and concoction of two amazing flavors that just go. Yeah.
Fire burning hearts in darkest places. There's never been a better time to feel alive. I found no way we're past the lines where truth won't lie. Life is waiting on the other side. Follow me into the underground. Watch the world changing as the sun goes down. Follow me into the underground.
So do I got something to show you. So this finally happened. Been coming here like 10 years. Now you gotta pay before walking away. Anyways, looked up the annual. The annual is $87, no, $78, $70-something a year for your annual pass. Wow.